If you love spicy pepper and are brave enough, this simple recipe will satisfy your crave for hot pepper. Tigerskin peppers get its name from the tiger skin appearance due to frying. It's a very popular vegetable dish in my hometown, Hunan Province. Normally, I would use Asian peppers such as shishito peppers since they have much thinner skin. But those are hard to find in the States, so I'm using the most commonly available type, Jalapeño peppers. Since it's much thicker or meatier, I will cook it a little differently. Here is the trick. After washing them clean and removing the stems, you crush each piece by pressing it against the cutting board. Now, put a flat pan on medium-high heat. Arrange jalapeno neatly into a single layer. Now, adding a tiny bit of water and cover it up so that jalapeno peppers soak all the waters and get softened somewhat. Once all visible water's gone, adding oil. I use avocado oil here, but you can use canola or coconut oil with a high smoking point. Press each piece gently to soften further. Add salt and black pepper. Gently press them again. Then flip them over. Add salt and black pepper on the other side. Gently press them again. This cooking process only lasts about 6 to 8 minutes. Just make sure to flip them a couple of times to avoid burning. When both sides looks golden brown, you can dish them out. If you feel it's way too hot or spicy to your taste, there's a way to greatly reduce its heat level. You can remove the seeds and the placenta inside the walls. That is where the capsaicin is, which is responsible for the heat. Let me know what your favorite way of cooking jalapeno peppers, and sure tell me after you try this recipe. See you next time.